So now how to practice meditation? First, please raise your hand like this. So, do you know your raising hand? Yeah. Yes? So that's awareness. So knows that you're just to be aware of that, you're raising hand, okay? Is there any sensation in your hand? What kind of sensation? Cooling sensation, raise your hand. Right hand, I'm sorry, left hand. Okay, you know there's cooling sensation, right? So there's awareness. Or warm or heat sensation, raise your left hand. Okay, be aware of that. So that is also awareness. And how many of you, there's no particular sensation in your hand, raise your hand. Okay, if there's no sensation, just know that there's no sensation. And that is also meditation. Okay? So now how many of you having pain around here? Raise your hand. Okay? Do you know pain? So that's the meditation also. You're aware of the pain. Be aware of pain. No need to look for pleasant. Unpleasant is also okay. Pain is unpleasant feeling. So just be aware of that pain. Okay? So now put your hand down. Feeling relaxed? Pleasant feeling, right? You know that pleasant feeling? So there's also awareness. So now, in the awareness, warm is okay, cool is okay, no sensation also okay, pain is okay, relaxation also okay. All these are in the awareness, right? So you just need to keep connecting with the awareness. And doesn't matter what kind of sensation, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral, positive, negative, virtue, neutral, it doesn't matter. Any kind of sensation. Just what you have to do, just to be aware of it. So that's the meditation. Understand?